The Advent Calendar. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Charlotte. Charlotte loved Christmas more than anything. She lived with her family in a cozy house, and they had a special tradition to make Christmas even more magical: the Advent Calendar. The Advent Calendar was like a little treasure box with 24 tiny doors. Each door held a surprise, and Charlotte couldn't wait to open them. Starting on December 1st, she would open one door each day to see what was inside. Behind those little doors, Charlotte found tiny toys, colorful stickers, and even little notes from her parents. Each surprise made her smile, and it made her feel like Christmas was getting closer. One day, Charlotte's mom gave her a beautiful golden key.
This key will make your advent calendar even more special,
Her mom said. Charlotte was curious and excited. She used the golden key to unlock the advent calendar. To her amazement, the calendar began to sparkle and float in the air.
Wow!
Charlotte gasped, watching the calendar's magical transformation. It was no longer just a calendar. It had turned into a magical doorway to a winter wonderland. Charlotte stepped through the calendar's doorway and found herself in a snowy forest. She giggled as she played in the snow, making snow angels and building a snowman. As Charlotte explored the magical world, she met friendly animals and helped them decorate their trees with shiny ornaments. They all laughed and sang Christmas songs. The forest was filled with joy and warmth, and Charlotte felt like she was in a Christmas dream. As the day came to an end, Charlotte returned home through the advent calendar's doorway. She was filled with happiness and couldn't wait to share her magical adventure with her family. From that day on, the advent calendar became even more special. Each surprise behind the doors held a piece of the magical world Charlotte had visited. The tiny toys and stickers were now filled with the memories of her adventure. On Christmas morning, Charlotte's family opened their gifts, and she received the most special present of all: a picture of her magical day in the snowy forest. She knew that Christmas was not just about the gifts. It was about sharing love, joy, and the magic of the season. And so, Charlotte's advent calendar turned every day into a magical adventure. She learned that Christmas was a time of wonder and togetherness, a time to create memories that would last a lifetime.